Hey YouTube, it's Lay, and today I'll be unboxing my 10.2 inch ring light from Mount Dog, and I'll be setting it up for you guys. So if you want to see that, just keep watching. So this is what the box looks like, and let's see, I'm so excited. So it comes with a tripod. I don't know, I'm gonna set it up for you guys, but this is the tripod. It looks like it extends. Yeah, okay. I see a phone holder, 2 phone holders. I don't know what this gonna do, but we gonna figure it out. Ooh, some instructions. I need this. Okay. And then the ring light, you guys. So I have a button. It's like for iOS and Android, so you can use it for both phones, which is good. Another phone holder. This one specifically is supposed to be able to hold 3 phones, you guys, so you can like put other phones down and still see yourself if you record backwards, you know. And this is the ring light. Okay. So I don't know what this thing does. Looks a little weird, but you know, we gonna get into it. All right, so y'all, here go the instructions. So we gonna follow these steps to see. We gonna see what this ring light talking about. So step 1, let's pull these out. So pull. All right. Push this up, make it look like that, and then make sure you tighten this so it's nice and sturdy. Okay, so once you got that, it's a little, but it's good. Okay, step 2. So we gotta take this thing that I didn't know what it was, but this is the thing that holds the 2 phones I was telling y'all about. So we got these 2 phone holders, and oh, that's cool. So they got it where you can put your phone there or there, attach it from either side, however you want to attach it. But I'm gonna attach mine flat. Okay. Right, and then got another one. It's the exact same with the holes on both sides. I'm gonna put it on this one. Ooh. And this thing swivels up and down, y'all, so y'all can put it if y'all want it right here or here, however. But it should look like this when you're done. All right, let's see. So step 3 says to screw this onto the tripod top. And y'all, this can extend. It should be able to extend. Or maybe just this one. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna tighten this piece. And then I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna put this bottom piece on here. I don't know if y'all can see, but onto this silver piece right here. Gonna screw it on. Boom. All right. Make sure all y'all knobs are tightened. Okay. So once we got it like that, screw it all the way on. We gonna take our ring light, you guys, and this one has like a hole in there, so it screws onto this ball right here, and then you can move it and bend it, you know, however you want it. And this also comes out, y'all, so if you don't want this, if you have like a camera or somewhere you want to put your attachment piece and then put your camera on top, you could do that too. But I'm gonna leave this on here since I record with my phone. Just screw that back on, and then I guess this just like, I don't know. Let's see. I'm open it all the way. Put it in there. Hold on, y'all. I'm having technical difficulties, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I figure it out. Okay guys, I figured it out. So you gotta take this black piece off, right? You're gonna put it on the silver piece and you're gonna pop it on. I lied, don't do that. So you gotta take this black piece off, right? And you gotta stick it on here, and then you're gonna put this, you gotta take this off too, off of your ring light. And then you put this on through here. I don't know why I thought that was so hard, but you know, it's all good because we figured it out. We're gonna twist it. Okay. So once you get it on there, it's nice and sturdy. You know, you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it to. And we'll just stick this back in here. But y'all, in the installation photo, it showed this piece already on there, so y'all be talking about me in the comments. All right, so you know, you can put your phone here, it'll be like that. Okay, I don't think I showed y'all this part, but this is what the little buttons look like. We got a plus sign, a off, a minus, just all the little directions and stuff. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so this is basically the end. All we gotta do is put this part onto this part. So you twist, twist, twist. All right. So this cord here is a USB, so you can plug it into a portable charger. You can plug it into an outlet. You can plug it into a computer if you want to. You can plug it into anything. I'm gonna plug it into an outlet, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it works. All right, y'all, so the last thing in here is this blue button I was showing you guys. And it's a remote shutter for the iOS and Android. And basically, I'm pretty sure you just like pair this to your phone. Yeah, it says pairing. You gotta open an app, and then you can just click this button and like start your videos, or click this button, like take a picture, so you can be sitting back here and just, you know. So that's cool that it comes with this. So yeah, it's just this little button, looks like this. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna turn the light off for y'all so y'all can see this. Okay, so I know it's dark right now, but ooh, okay. So we can change it between the white light, warm light, and blue light. I don't know if y'all could tell on camera, but this one's more like yellow tone. No, this one's more like yellow tone. This one's more blue tone. And this is the pure white tone. Okay, and then this is on the highest setting right now. So you can turn it down. It goes down 10. All the way to this one. You turn it all the way up. And it's the highest one. So, you know. And then this is the warm tone one. Turn all the way down. Okay. And then that's cute. I'm probably gonna use this one. And then we got the blue. That's on high, and then all the way down.
Hey guys, so the next clip will be me just inserting a couple photos that I took with my ring light. I hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and share to all your friends.
So y'all can see what I look like with the phone in here.